The most flavorful homemade beef chow fan. Heat up the wok with oil. Toss in marinated beef and stir fry until it changes color. Then set it aside. Leave a little oil in the wok. Crack in 2 eggs and scramble them fully. Toss in green bell peppers, shredded carrots, onions and bean sprouts for a quick stir. Add the chow fan next. Season with salt, low-sodium soy sauce, and oyster sauce. Stir fry everything over high heat evenly. Add dark soy sauce for color and mix thoroughly. Throw the beef back in and stir fry evenly. Toss with green onions to finish, then serve and enjoy. This simple, tasty beef chow fan is ready to serve. Give it a go. Heat oil in the wok. Add spices and stir fry on low heat until fragrant. Add blanched chicken drumsticks. Pour in hot water, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and a few rock sugars. Cover and simmer for 15 minutes. Remove the spice residues. Add a pinch of salt and cook for another 5 minutes. Thicken the sauce over high heat. Simple and delicious. Spread oil in the pan. Spread an egg. Add toast and beef slices. Season with salt and pepper. Roll it up and push aside. Crack another egg. Spread it out and top with scallions and sesame seeds. Wait till the bottom sets, then roll again. Squeeze on some ketchup. Quick breakfast is ready. This low-fat, high-protein shrimp tofu egg dish is super simple and tasty. First, stir-fry the shrimp until they turn pink. Add soft tofu to the pan. Cut it into chunks with a spatula and pan-fry for a while. Make the sauce: oyster sauce, light soy sauce. Add a little water and stir well. Pour in 3 beaten eggs. Slide the spatula gently to spread the egg liquid evenly. Lay the pre-cooked shrimp on top. Pour in the sauce. Simmer on medium-low heat for 1 minute. Sprinkle with chopped green onions and it's ready to serve. Add the minced garlic, chopped green onions, white sesame seeds, chili flakes, and cooking oil into the pan. Heat the oil to bring out a rich spicy aroma. Add soy sauce, black vinegar, a little salt, sugar, chicken powder, chili oil, and some water. Stir well and set aside. Bring water to a boil, add alkaline noodles and cook until fully done. Rinse with cold water, drain, then put the noodles into the prepared sauce. Add shredded carrot, shredded cucumber, shredded chicken breast, and some crispy peanuts. Toss well and enjoy. It's tangy, spicy, and super delicious. Put lettuce in the wok. Add minced garlic, light soy sauce, oyster sauce, cooking oil. Cover and simmer on medium-low heat for 4 minutes. Simple and healthy. Heat the pan. Fry marinated beef until brown. Pour in 1 beaten egg. Push the egg to the center. Once the egg sets, add a slice of cheese. Turn off heat. Cover and rest for 2 minutes. Grab your toasted bread. Add lettuce. Then top with the beef and egg. Quick and easy breakfast is done. Put shredded cheese in a pan. Make a well and drop in an egg. Add diced luncheon meat. Cover with toast. Simmer on low till cheese melts. Flip when golden. Fry the other side. Super quick cheesy breakfast. Absolutely irresistible. Tomato egg and pork rice noodles. Quick and tasty. Heat oil in a clay pot. Crack in an egg. Add the marinated pork and ginger slices. Stir fry until the meat changes color. Pour in boiling water. Add tomato chunks and simmer on high heat for 2 minutes. Season with salt, chicken powder, light soy sauce, and chili oil. Add pre-cooked rice noodles and lettuce. Then simmer for another 30 seconds. A perfect bowl of rice noodles is ready. Give it a try. Bring water to a boil. Cook fresh noodles. Plate and set aside. Heat oil. Stir-fry 3 beaten eggs until set. Scoop out. Stir-fry garlic until fragrant. Add green chilies. Cook till soft. Add light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, chicken powder. Pour half a bowl cornstarch slurry. Add chili oil. Put eggs back. Simmer low heat until the sauce thickens. Pour over noodles. Mix well and enjoy. Quick, tasty noodles. Spray a little oil on your pan. Crack 2 eggs into the pan. Then sprinkle a ring of shredded mozzarella cheese around them. Lay 2 slices of toast on top. Cook on low heat until the eggs are completely set. Once the eggs firm up, flip the whole stack gently. Layer thin beef slices and fresh cucumber slices. Squeeze some ketchup over the top. Then fold it in half to finish. This simple cheesy egg toast is such a handy weekday breakfast, ready in just a few quick minutes. If you have an air fryer, try this great air-fried tofu recipe. Take 1 block of firm tofu, cut into 4 chunks, then thick slices. Place all tofu in the air fryer and spray cooking oil on top. Air fry at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Flip halfway, then 10 more minutes. Mix minced garlic and barbecue seasoning in a bowl. Pour hot oil, add salt, sugar, MSG, soy sauce, and oyster sauce. Stir well. Drizzle sauce over tofu. Air fry another 5 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Crispy outside, soft inside, super tasty. Everyone give it a try. Heat oil in a wok. Pour in 3 beaten eggs and scramble quickly until fluffy and golden. Scoop out and set aside. Heat the wok again. Sauté minced garlic until fragrant. Add cabbage and carrots. Stir fry on high heat constantly until tender, crisp, and bright. Put the eggs back into the wok. Season with a pinch of salt, half a teaspoon of chicken powder, and low-sodium light soy sauce. Toss everything well over high heat. Then it's ready to serve.